Department Master feature. The Department Master feature helps manage department details within branches, ensuring organized and streamlined operations. Key functionalities. Add new department. Click Add New to create a department. Enter the department name and the system will auto-generate a unique code, then save it. Modify or delete department. Users can modify department details as required to ensure accurate and up-to-date records. Click Modify and enter Save Changes. By clicking Delete, departments can only be deleted after user confirmation to prevent accidental removal. Search functionality. Quickly find departments using the search bar by entering branch code, department name, updated department list. After adding, editing, or deleting, the updated list is displayed on the main page. Transport Master feature. The Transport Master feature is designed to manage transport services for material transfers, ensuring smooth logistics and tracking. Key functionalities. Add new transport service. Click Add New to create a new transport service. Enter the transport service name and the system auto-generates a unique code. Modify or delete transport records. Users can edit transport service details as required. Click Modify and enter Save Changes. By clicking Delete, services can be deleted after confirmation. Search functionality. Quickly find transport services using the search bar by entering transport code, transport name, updated transport list. After adding, editing, or deleting, the updated transport service list is displayed on the main page. Subdepartment facility. The subdepartment facility is an essential feature designed to efficiently manage and organize smaller sections within different branches of the organization. This feature ensures that departmental responsibilities, task assignments management are structured effectively, leading to better coordination and operational efficiency. Add new subdepartment. Click on the Add New button to initiate the process of creating a new subdepartment. A form will appear, allowing users to input the necessary details. First, select the appropriate branch name from the drop-down list to ensure that the subdepartment is correctly categorized. Next, enter the subdepartment name in the designated field. Once the name is entered, the system will automatically generate a unique subdepartment code for reference. After reviewing the entered details, click the Save button to store the new subdepartment in the system. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the subdepartment has been successfully added. Modify or delete subdepartments. To make changes to an existing subdepartment, navigate to the subdepartment list. Locate the desired subdepartment and click on the Modify button, which redirects to the Edit page. Update the necessary details, such as the name or branch assignment, and click Update to save the changes. If a subdepartment is no longer needed, it can be removed from the system. Click the Delete button and a confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental deletion. Confirm the action, and the subdepartment will be permanently removed from the database. To quickly find a subdepartment, use the search bar on the main page. You can search by entering any of the following details. Subdepartment name, unique subdepartment code, branch name. The system will instantly display matching results, making it easier to locate specific records. Updated subdepartment list. After adding, editing, or deleting a subdepartment, the main page will refresh automatically. The latest list of subdepartments will be displayed, ensuring that users always have up-to-date information. Unit of Measurement Master. The Unit of Measurement Master plays a crucial role in inventory and stock management by standardizing measurement units across all stored and ordered items. It ensures that quantities are recorded accurately, reducing errors and improving clarity in procurement and logistics. Add new unit of measurement. To create a new unit of measurement, click on the Add New button. A form will appear, prompting users to enter the necessary details. Enter the short name example kg to represent the unit in abbreviated form. Provide the long name, example, kilograms, liters, for clarity and documentation purposes. The system will automatically generate a unit of measurement code for reference. After filling in the required fields, click the Save button to store the new unit in the system. A confirmation message will appear, ensuring that the unit has been successfully added. If any modifications are required, locate the unit in the list and click on the Modified button. This action will redirect the user to the Edit page, where necessary changes can be made. After updating the details, click Update to save the changes. If a unit of measurement is no longer needed, it can be permanently removed by clicking on the Delete button. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental deletion. Confirm the action, and the unit will be removed from the system. Search and filter functionality. To quickly locate a specific unit of measurement, use the search bar available on the main page. Users can search by entering any of the following: short name, kg, long name, kilograms, or unit of measurement code. The system will instantly filter and display relevant results, making it easy to find the required unit. After adding, modifying, or deleting a unit, the system automatically updates the main list. The refreshed list ensures that users always have access to the latest information.